Welcome to traditional bead weaving, tubular cinq neckpiece. I'm Oluwaseun Ajayi. In this class, we'll take your beading skills to the next level. You will learn how to create elegant designs using basic bead weaving skills that features colorful color combinations and intricate tubular design. The techniques you learn will elevate your skill set and inspire your creativity. I've been making beads for more than 3 years. I love the energy and beauty of creating unique pieces. I'm a graduate of Obafemi Awolowo University. After leaving the university, I started bead making as a full-time business. We will start with the basic introduction to the tools and materials used and also discuss its variations and alternatives. We'll also walk you through how to measure your jewelry so it fits perfectly. Next, you will learn how to weave the cubic right angle weave and the right angle weave. We'll also go through how to add the embellishments and clasps. Finally, we'll make the earrings to match. You will find the templates and supply lists in your class materials. Share your questions and post photos on the platform. We can all learn from each other. craftzone.com.ng's interactive classes come with lifetime access, downloadable course material, and a 100% money back guarantee. Take the class in your own time and receive help from me along the way. Sign up now.